was cleaning it and went right through it.
You broke it once?
I broke it once 25 years ago or whatever. Cleaning it, my hand went right through it.
Wow.
Okay.
There you go.
A little hot.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to open it until you were ready to go.
Right. Okay, let's begin. And I'll hand you this piece of paper, and then you may have to do the radio. So at some point, dial in 123.02, and I'll teach you. Okay?
Yeah, we did this last time.
Yeah. Okay.
Right here.
No, this is the squawk. This is for ID, so that they'll recognize you on the radar.
That stays the same.
Unless the control tower tells you squawk this frequency and press ident.
Okay.
That's a transponder. Remember the transponder?
Mm-hmm.
What was the name? Okay. Seatbelts fastened. Seatbelts fastened. You can start recording now. Put this like this on your knees, like that. But it's not on. Okay, now let me see you turn it on. You can't. Let me help you. No, just the camera.
Camera.
And then just the red button.
I can do it.
Okay. Seatbelts fastened. Pedals neutral. Cyclic and collective frictions off. Cyclic and collective frictions off. There he goes. Okay, cyclic and collective frictions off. Cyclic pedals full travel. Okay, so all four corners functioning correctly. Okay, collective functioning correctly, and tail rotor functioning correctly. All right, well, get like pan down so you can see what the collective is. Okay, so collective friction on. Throttle fully closed. Throttle's fully closed. Okay, altimeter set. It's right here.
750.
Yeah, it's like 740. Right there. Okay, altimeter set. All avionics trim set to my side. All avionics off. Fuel valve open, in. Circuit breakers, in. Battery switch on. Fuel quantity check, 20 gallons. Low fuel light. Low fuel light.
Off.
Functioning. Tail rotor chip light functioning. Transmission light is on. Low RPM light. Low RPM light is on. And test horn. Clutch switch is in the release position. Clutch light is on. Beacon switch is on. Clear. General look around to make sure that there's nobody around. Area is clear. Mixture idle cutoff, Rob. The procedure.
Still doing
the
look
procedure.
around.
Mixture full idle cutoff. Okay. Throttle friction adjust half an inch. Fuel pump on. Fuel pump on. Mixture 1, 2, 3 out. Fuel pump off. Magneto switch set to both. Throttle closed, fully closed. Start engine. And where were we? We're starting the engine. Push mixture full rich. Okay, start the engine. Throttle fully closed. Start the engine.